Hello children, how are you all? Today I welcome all the students of 7th stage to our distant learning program. In this session, I am going to explain you the revision part for SA1 examinations. Right children? It is a SA1 previously you were sent 2-3 videos on the revision, on the SA1 revision. Let us see some other points in this session. Okay children, see here, once it is from your textbook, how the descriptive will be given. I said descriptive for 20 marks, right children? Okay, 30 marks you have a Google form, right? So in this descriptive, how the questions are given. One passage is given, textual passage. Passage from text. It is given for 5 marks. One passage is given and you are given some questions and you will get 5 marks. And one stanza is given. One stanza poem, right? It is also 5 marks, right children? So how many marks you get? 5 plus 5? 10. And one discourse, letter is for 5 marks, right? And remaining vocabulary, it is for 5 marks, totally 20 marks children. So how the passage is given, let us see. What kind of passage will be given? Model passage I will read here. It is from textbook. See how the passage will be given. Read the following passage to answer the question given below. So you are given a passage. For example, I will read one paragraph. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. So here the passage is given, and after that you will be given questions like, for example, who sent the invitation and whom? Who sent the invitation and to whom? See children, can you say the answer? Who sent the invitation? Understood? I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself, I feel very uncomfortable here. Here country mouse, see, country mouse wrote a letter. Country mouse invited, right? Whom did he invite? The town mouse. See, the country mouse invited the town mouse. How was the day? How was the day? The day was bright and sunny. How was the day? The day was bright and sunny. What did the town mouse feel inside the train? Inside the train, he felt uncomfortable, right? See children, once again I read the question. What did the town mouse feel inside the train? So the answer is uncomfortable, right? Next, D. What did the town mouse feel would make, see, what did the town mouse feel would make him comfortable? What did the town mouse feel would make him comfortable? That is, I wish, he said these lines, I wish there was an air conditioned coach. So, he wished there was an air conditioned coach. Next, why do you think the town mouse was visiting the countryside? Why do you think the town mouse was visiting the countryside? See, what was the answer here? The town mouse was visiting the countryside to get some relief, right? To get some relief. And also, you will be given one stanza from a poem. We have the poem Country. What is the name of the poem? See, children, the town child and the country child, right? And also another poem, It's Change. One poem is there. So, if you read these two poems, from one poem you will be given one stanza, and also you will be asked some questions. For example, here I am going to read one stanza. See, children. See, I live in the town. Read the stanza and answer the questions that follow. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. See, I live in the town child and country child. Who does I in the above stanza refer to? See, children, who does I? I refer to, what does I refer to? Town child. I refer to town child. Right? Where does the speaker live? Where does the speaker live? The speaker lives in a town. In a town. See. How is the street where he lives? See. How is the street where he lives? It is crowded with traffic. It is crowded with traffic, right? TRAFFIC, children. See, the first question, who does I refer to? I refer to town child. Where does the speaker live? In a town. And how is the street where he lives? It is crowded with traffic. Why is there a lot of traffic? See the next question. Why is there a lot of traffic? So you can, if you read the stanza, you get the answer. There are buses and motors and trams. So you can write that line. Because why is there a lot of traffic? Because it is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. You can write in the street. What do you find? There are buses, motors and trams. Write this answer. There are buses, motors and trams. What does the speaker wish? See the last line. He wish. What did he say? I wish there were meadows and lambs. What does the speaker wish? See here, shall I rub? Speaker wishes The last one, see, he wishes there were woods, there were woods. Meadows. MEADOWS, meadows and lambs. He wish, see, wish, we don't say wishes. He wish, I wish, we wish, you wish, he wish. There were meadows and lambs. So that is the last answer. So this is how the passages will be given, children. 10 marks, right? Now the letter. It is informal letter is given. Write a letter to your friend describing online classes. Describing online classes in your school. So this kind of informal letter will be given. So how do you write the letter? See, children, here we should draw the border. We should draw the border. What do you write here? Station and date. Station. Shall I rub and write neatly? So note down the letter. Once I draw the format here. So you have to draw the border. Write station. Keep comma and date. Date you write. Okay. How do you write here? Dear friend. Dear friend. See children here. D capital, F capital. D capital, F capital. Then you keep comma. You start the paragraph from here onwards. What do you write first? You are writing letter to your friend. So that simply you say, you write, I am safe here. How are you, my dear friend? I hope you two also very fine. And in this letter, I would like to share about my online classes in our school. That is how you have to introduce. So the first paragraph. Greet your friend and also tell why are you writing this letter, right? For example, after 5 lines or 6 lines, you go to next paragraph. When you go to maintain another paragraph, see here gaps. Equal gap you have to maintain, and when you change to paragraph, when you go to another paragraph, you should maintain double gap. See the same length you see, here gap should be double than usual. This is how you have to write. Right children, this is how 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs. Next, finally you can write yours lovingly. Yours lovingly. Because it is, you are writing to your friend. Okay, only keep multiplication symbol into, full stop. Then here below this level left side, here right, what do you write? To address, right? Here postal stamp. You can end the end line. This is how you have to write the letter, children. Okay, so note down this format. This letter will give you 5 marks. How many marks you can score? 5 marks. When you write letter, you should maintain good handwriting. Coming to vocabulary part. Vocabulary part, for example, see, children, it is also textual exercise. You can see this exercise from your textbook also. Fill in the blanks using appropriate phrases. So vocabulary, this is how questions will be given. For example, see, look around. Plenty of. Full of. Piece of. Piece of. Got of. See, got of. See, look around, plenty of, full of, piece of, got of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are given. Okay, you are given a passage. For example, see, Ram Babu started his journey. So this is you can find from the first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. If you go to the textbook, you could find this. Fill in the blanks using appropriate phrases given below. Ram Babu started his journey to his grandfather's village in Prakasham district. He caught a train to reach the village. The train arrived at the station. At the time, he was hungry and thirsty. As soon as he dashed the train, first one you can select got off. As soon as he got off the train, so blank is given. He wanted to drink and eat something. So he dashed but found nothing. So he dashed. What is the answer? Looked around. Looked around. Looked around. But found nothing to eat and drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way, he found a shop which was dash cool drinks, which was full of cool drinks. See, you can fill the blank with full of. He had dash money. He had, see here, on the way, he found a shop which was full of cool drinks. He had dash money. So the answer is plenty of. Plenty of money. So he bought a cool drink and a dash bread. Children, see, last blank is he bought a cool drink and a dash bread. Piece of bread. See, the answer is piece of. Fifth one, piece of. This is how the exercise question will be given from the vocabulary part, and from this you can get 5 marks, children, right? Now let us see some more. This is how 20 marks you can get as a descriptive, right? In the last session, we were discussing articles and we stopped. See, children, once let us see articles from which you can get 2 marks in this essay 1 exam. He is dash teacher. He is dash teacher. You are given options A and B, right? As it begins with a consonant sound, you can supply the correct option A, right? A teacher. Don't choose an or the. She is the tallest girl in the class. What is the correct answer here? She is the dash tallest girl. So again option same, A and B. So you can write the definite article the tallest, because it is a superlative adjective, so that before them we use definite article the. We have dash we have dash umbrella. We have dash umbrella. Here also you can use, as it begins with vowel sound, it takes article an. We have dash umbrella, an umbrella. And also see dash ma. So what do you use here? A, an or the? You can write m. It begins with vowel sound. M. So that it also takes article an. Right? So this is how questions will be given from the topic articles. Okay, children, you note down. And again we can discuss some other points in our Zoom class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have a Zoom classes in which we can discuss all the revision part once again. Okay, children, see you in the coming session.